All right, this is the conclusion to section 2. In this section, we talked about a great many things. We talked about functions. We talked about the mathematics behind functions a little bit, just to get an understanding, clear understanding of what a function is and why it's important. We also talked about things like inner functions, recursion, tail recursion, functions within functions, those are inner functions, sending functions into other functions as continuations in order to move behavior outside of the function and give us control over what the function's going to do under certain circumstances. All of these topics, of course, were wrapped around the introduction of some additional types, such as the discriminated union and list. We're going to be looking more closely at discriminated unions in the next section. We're also going to introduce record types and possibly a few other types along the way. In the next section, we're going to be building some real code. We're going to be starting to work through some requirements and building up some functions that will meet those requirements for our website. So I look forward to seeing you in the next section where we're going to start designing with types.